What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another Okanagan hotspot because it's day 14 or 15 now of this whole self-isolation craziness going on in the world. And it is super important for, I think, your mental health as well as your physical health to just keep moving a little bit while still respecting, obviously, all this physical distancing that we're supposed to be doing to help flatten that curve. So, yesterday we decided to hit up Rose Valley Park. We have done a video about this, however, last time we did like an upper loop of the park, and Anastasia was super pregnant at the time, and it was winter, so it was just a ton of snow. There wasn't anything cool to look at. So Rose Valley is in West Kelowna. It's pretty much right over the bridge from when you're coming from Kelowna. It only took us about 10 minutes to get there from our house because we do live in West Kelowna. But again, it's not far from downtown Kelowna at all. You just basically cross the bridge, take your first right, and you'll get there. There's a ton of different trails to do within Rose Valley. It's kind of a whole system that weaves in and out around the lake, up over the lake, 2 different peaks, etc. It's awesome for pets. It's awesome for kids. The trails are really nice. They're well maintained. There's signs, there's maps, benches. A really well cared for park. And therefore, I think that's why I've enjoyed going there so many times and doing pretty much every different hike it has to offer. So yesterday we decided to go down and do the lower part of the park, which is the actual Rose Valley Reservoir, which is a little lake. And it was super interesting, not at all what I expected. Every time you go do a hike, you kind of assume that when you go up, you're gonna hit those nice views, and it's gonna be obviously a lot more rewarding and beautiful. But actually going down, I think, was even better. I found it to be even nicer. I like being close to the water. It worked out for the best for everybody, and we had a really good time. One thing to make note of when you are going down to the lower part of the trail is that it does get kind of steep and rocky at a few different points. Again, we had Theo in the chest carrier, and Anastasia trooped her way down to the bottom. I decided to carry him back up after because it's only fair to do so. She carried him for 9 months, so I had to do my share and carry him for about an hour. But once we got back to the car, you could tell you're a little bit winded, so it is definitely a little bit steep. I would say it's still moderately easy in the grand scheme of things. It's not like you're holding onto ropes going down the hills or anything like that. Just something to make note of, it's not just a total cakewalk. You're not allowed to camp or have picnics or fires, obviously, anywhere in the park, especially down by the water. As beautiful as it would be to do that there, because it's just stunning, it is still not allowed in the park, so just make note of that and be respectful. I could definitely see us returning in the summertime again and spending just probably a half a day down there, depending on, of course, what's going on in this crazy world right now. But again, it's super awesome that we have this kind of stuff in our backyard because, with all this social distancing, or I guess they're calling it physical distancing now, it's just important for your mental health, your physical health, your well-being of, just to get out, get moving, not get cooped up in your house and get depressed and worry about all the negatives, but actually just turning things around and kind of experiencing the positives. Which for us, anytime we get out filming or hanging out, just going for walks with the family, what more could you ask for? So by all means, guys, check out Rose Valley Park. There's probably enough to keep you occupied for as long as this whole thing will be going on. You can do all the different loops, all the different peaks, all the different trails down to the water. Having all this extra time on my hands definitely means that we can do more videos. So let me know what you want to see more of. Tutorials, Okanagan hotspots. You let me know. I'll make them. See you guys in the next video, and make sure you stay positive and healthy.